Hey folks, this is Srinath from Gangbo.com catching up with next cool video. So here we are going to talk about something called the Selenium Webdriver. So the previous versions of Selenium is Selenium 1.0, which was using Selenium RC as a major interface for all your testing and the UI interaction needs. But how cool is Selenium 2.0? Your Selenium framework is combined with something called as a Selenium Webdriver, which makes the next version much cooler, which is Selenium 2.0 with the inclusion of this WebDriver concept. So let's talk about what is meant by a WebDriver. So as the name says, web and a driver, it drives the applications on the web using a browser. This is an automation framework where this software or this driver, once installed in your computer, will be giving your programming language. Basically, Selenium is coupled with some programming language which can be Java, Perl, Python. Any of the programming language which is in current market trends will be supported with your Selenium framework. This will give you n number of capabilities. Like we are saying, once this software is installed in your computer, this gives your programming language the capability to interact with the browser as how a human can interact in a very real time, in a very real life basis. Okay, the architecture is your Selenium WebDriver is installed in your computer, and programming language will be given a specific path access to your Selenium WebDriver, and the Selenium WebDriver will be controlling your UI automated tests completely. Okay, let's say you want to go to Flipkart or Amazon or any online purchasing sites. You want to just automate the scenario how a user is going to add a particular item into their cart and come out and pay. All those things can be done using your Selenium WebDriver concept also. It is much more cooler and very simpler interface than the Selenium RC, just because of its simplistic design. Okay, talking about the speed, of course it's very faster. It is actually more faster than a human can do. When you write a simple code to log into a page, everything will be done in a space of a moment. It does not wait for any of the validation unless and until you force it to do. That is how the speed of the WebDriver is being carried out. And tell me, so you are like, dude, are you just kidding? Because how does computer software can go and think like a human? Because everything, if you see the construction of your web browser, everything is highly made up of a markup programming language like HTML. Every single element or the picture or video or audio, whatever you see in your browser is just a lines of code. It's just embedded on a page. That is again lines of code. Okay, how does it identify? So the Selenium WebDriver identifies your elements using n number of possibilities. Let's say a name, everything. It's how you enroll into a course. They'll be giving you an ID and your initial, everything. You have your own set of identification. The same way an element also has its own set of identification. With the help of something called as an XPath, that is the path by which the elements are ordered in a web page, or a tag name, or a CSS name, or an input tag name, anything which is identical, which can be completely differentiated with some other aspect also. That is how a WebDriver which goes and reads your web page very fast and identifies the element what you want to go and surf upon the page. So where do I exactly apply this? As I told, anywhere you want to do UI level interaction as a human is capable of doing. A UI level interaction, like you going and typing something in the keyboard, or you going and doing something with the help of your mouse. Everything that you can do in a UI interface, a user interface, can be done using a Selenium framework. That is the power of it. Then tell me, what is the driver? What exactly the driver will do? The driver is customized for each and every software, because we cannot expect every code like Mozilla Firefox or Chrome or Internet Explorer to follow the same standards of coding, but you can expect them to have different. That's why Selenium is giving you a different flavors of WebDriver for each and every need of yours. If it is a Google Chrome, you have to go with the Chrome driver. If it's a Firefox, you have a separate set of instruction set for your Firefox driver. The same way for your Internet Explorer and Safari, because everything is unique and every unique thing is captured by Selenium. That's how Selenium actually works. The inclusion of the WebDriver is actually a revolution in the industry, because it lets you widely to be a very easy user interface thing, and it gives you the power to control. And that is all about the Selenium WebDriver concept bringing to you by Gangbo.com. If you like our videos, just go to our YouTube channel Gangbo.com and subscribe the bell icon for instant updates. Thank you.